When it comes to home renovation, there are some critical questions you should ask before getting started. Whether you're planning a small remodel or a major overhaul, these tips will help ensure your project is a success. First up, what's your budget? It's essential to set a realistic budget from the start. Here in Connecticut, renovation costs can vary widely depending on the scope of your project. Don't forget to include a contingency for unexpected expenses. Next, who will you hire? Choosing the right contractor is key. Look for a company with a proven track record, like Agile Construction. Check references, ask about licensing, and make sure they understand your vision. Do you need permits? In Connecticut, many renovations require permits. Whether it's electrical work, plumbing, or structural changes, we can help you navigate local regulations to keep your project compliant. What's the timeline? Be sure to discuss a clear schedule with your contractor. Delays can be costly, so it's important to have realistic expectations about how long your renovation will take. And finally, how will the design impact your home's functionality? Think about how your family uses the space and plan for the future. At Agile Construction, we specialize in creating spaces that are not only beautiful, but also practical. Asking these 5 questions before starting your renovation can save you time, money, and stress. If you're ready to transform your home, give Agile Construction a call. We're here to turn your vision into reality right here in Connecticut. Agile Construction, quality, efficiency, and a home you'll love.